The typical punishment if you were convicted of a DUI, what would that involve?
Well, it depends if it's a first offense, and it also depends on what your level of alcohol is. But typically, the penalties involve a 6-month loss of license. Locally, this is what I see: a 6-month loss of license, a fine in the neighborhood of $500 or so. You often put on a probationary period. You have to go through the alcohol courses. There's several of them that you have to take, and you have to perform 50 hours of community service. There's a whole laundry list. See, what's happened here is our legislature, in response to this problem, and it is a problem, but also in response to the public outcry about alcoholics or people who are impaired on the road, kept adding new features to this DUI statute, including impounding your car for a period of time. They just kept adding it. In some cases, you kind of go, one feature is kind of inconsistent with the prior feature, and yet that's not how our legislature just kept adding stuff. So there is a laundry list of negative things that happen. And the other one that isn't statutory, but it's pretty important, is your insurance rates are going to skyrocket.
So if you've been charged with DUI, the last thing that you would want to do would be to go to court without a lawyer and plead guilty to it.
Yeah, I would say this about almost any criminal case. Going to court without a lawyer when you have a criminal charge is like doing your own appendectomy. An appendectomy is not the most serious surgery, but it's serious enough, and you wouldn't do it without a surgeon.
Right.